Hello, this is Keith All, and in today's tutorial we're going to learn how to create a dripping text effect in Photoshop. Now there are multiple ways that you could do this and multiple ways that you could get different types of an effect. But this is one way that you could do it, and it's very simple, very short process. So basically I'm going to create it. I have a new document, create whatever color background that you want, and type in whatever text that you want with whatever font that you have. And now let me type this in. I'm going to press the check mark to accept the changes. I'm going to use the move tool to move it anywhere I want. And now all I have to do is bring in an image. Now this image I got from Google. I typed in dripping images and I downloaded this particular image. So I'm going to drag it and drop it into this canvas. I'm going to resize it using Shift Alt and then click and drag. And I won't create the effect on all of them, but I'm just going to show you one way that you could do it, and then you could do it. You could create the effect that you want by using the same method that I'm about to use. So basically I'm going to cut a portion of this text out and then drag it onto over here, as you can see. So I'm going to press enter to accept that. Now I'm going to use the polygonal lasso tool and I'm just going to make a selection. Okay, now once I make a selection, I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to use layer via copy. So what it's going to do is going to create a new layer for this selection I have. So I did that. Now let's move this out of the way. And as you can see, it cut a portion of this drip image out of there. Now all I have to do is click and drag this to wherever I want. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a color overlay for it. I'm going to match it up with the black color text. So I'm going to do a color overlay. And I'm going to change the color to black. Click OK. Click OK. And then I'm going to turn this image off temporarily. And then in this case, I'm going to drag this layer with this drip behind the text. Okay, and now I'm going to reposition this. I'm going to hit Control T, Shift Alt, and click and drag to make it smaller. Press enter. And there you have it. And that's how you could create a dripping text effect in Photoshop. Like I said at the beginning, there are multiple ways that you could do this effect. And there are multiple images that have already been created that have different size drips different formations of the drip, and just search Google and find the one that you like and create the effect that you want for your projects. Thanks again for stopping by. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification so you always get updated when I have a new video out. And always please like, share, and comment. Thanks again for stopping by, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.